Hi everyone, it's Missy. Today I'm going to show you how to produce a transcript without a signature image, and by that I mean it'll look like this, not like this next one that has an actual image of your signature. That's a separate video, so you'll need to check out that one if you want to learn how to do that. So for this example, I want you to log into Raw and go to a job. Click on that job, and then go over to your Documents tab, and it'll default to the General tab, and go to Upload Files. This is where you're going to upload your ASCII file. Browse your computer for wherever you've saved it. Double click and that'll open it up, and you'll see that it's here. And then go up there to the top left and hit Start Upload. You can also notify office staff if you're doing that. If you need to let them know, you can do that in this area. You can assign a category or share it with other documents. You can do this for anything you upload. So hit Start Upload. It'll say All Files Received. Press OK, and now it will appear over there on the right side of your screen. Okay, so now that you've uploaded it, you can give it a different description. You can tag it however you want to, make it available to other depots, to production, what reporters need to see it and don't. That's totally up to you. So now hit Update. And now you're ready to produce it. So hit your production button. This will bring up a screen that has all of your options. Your defaults are already in the system here. Letter spacing has to do with how condensed the document is. So if it's too condensed, it's at -1, 0 is usually about right, and +1 would mean it's spread out a little bit. Go down and set all of your other margins, what kind of border style you want. You can hit autofill here for your page header and your cover page. This will pull the information from the actual job. Make it italic, bold, whatever you want. If you want a bundle, click bundle, but you have to tell it what you want the bundle to contain. So just check off the pieces, parts that you want, whether or not you want a cover page, hide your footer, etc., etc. Go ahead and hit Update. Now, if you want to add exhibits, all you'll do is click on that tab right next to it that says Exhibits, and any exhibits that you've uploaded will appear here, so you just check off the ones that you want. And now go on up here and hit Update. This will take you back to your main screen so you can take one last look around. If you decide that you want a cover page per document, here's an example of one. It's something that we have to prepare for you, so your office would have to send in just the logo and that basic information, but that's what it would look like. And if you decided to check that cover page for each document, then you would get one in front of the full bundle, in front of the word search, condensed, such as that, full-sized, everything. There would be one in front of each one. Totally up to you. Check it, don't check it, whatever you want to do. Just be sure and hit Update when you're finished. And now you're ready to produce. It's going to take a second. You'll see the little time going. This is you patiently waiting while your transcript produces. It only takes a second. And voila, it's all done. Now it will appear on your screen over here on the right, just like your text file did. You'll see your bundle package, full size, condensed, word index, anything that you ask it to produce will appear over here. Here's your bundle. This is where you want to set it. If you want to share that bundle with other documents or make it available to all the production, allow different people to see it, this is where you set those things and hit Update. And now if you're actually ready to view your bundle, go over there to the right and click View. It'll go into your downloads and automatically open up. I'm going to make this a little smaller so you can see it. That's the cover page where your logo would be if you wanted it. Click on Full Sized. Take a look around. A couple of pages in, it looks great. You can close that one. Take a look at your condensed. Same thing, go into a couple pages, make sure everything looks okay. Your exhibits, if you have more than one, of course you need to expand that and then take a look at each one. Same thing with Exhibit 2. This is just 1 and 2 examples. And if you select the Schedule a Court Reporter, when they click on that, it will take them directly to whatever web page you've designated. I set it so that it would go right back to the raw login page, but that would be your own website if you wanted. Now, You have to have Office Manager rights to set these PDF production default margins. So if you're an Office Manager, just go to your utility screen and then down to PDF production defaults, and this is where your setup is for margins and whether or not you want a cover page, word list, all of that kind of information. Just fill in exactly what you want it to default to. Your reporters can change that on individual transcripts, but this is just the default. There's where you're going to put your web page in case you want people to go back there. Some agencies will allow you to schedule depositions through their website, so you could do that there. Headers, footers, go on down here to your exclusions on word list. If you don't want your word list to show every time somebody said then add it to that list. And don't forget to hit update. These are the defaults that show up when you get ready to produce a transcript in this area right here. Okay? Now, if you'd like to insert a signature image or a digital signature into your transcripts, kind of like this one, I am working on another video, not quite finished with it yet, but it'll be up soon. So just watch for that soon, entitled Signature Image. Thank you.